Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Grammio English podcast.
Hey there, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emma. And today we have a topic that is, well, I think it's super important for all our beginner listeners.
What's that?
We are going to talk about how to express your opinion in English.
Oh, that's a great one. Yeah, you need that for every single conversation. So where should people start?
Okay, so the easiest, most common phrase is just, I think.
Right, I think.
Yep, it's your best friend. For example, I think the weather is nice today. Or, I think this lesson is helpful.
I think so too. See? It's so easy to use. You can add it to the beginning of almost any sentence. You really can't go wrong with it.
Exactly. So what's another one they could use? Maybe something just a little different.
You could also say, in my opinion. It's a little more formal, I guess, but still super common.
Yeah, that's a good one. In my opinion. For example, in my opinion, that movie was really good.
In my opinion, Fridays are the best day of the week.
Oh, I agree.
See? And that's another key part of this, agreeing with someone.
Right. Agreeing is easy. You can just say, I agree, or me too, or that's true.
But what if you don't agree? What about the tricky part, disagreeing? For example, Emma, what if I say, in my opinion, spiders are cute?
Okay, no, I do not agree. So I wouldn't say I agree, I would say something more polite.
Like what?
Well, you could say I disagree, but that can sound a little strong. A softer way is to say, I'm not so sure about that.
That's a good one. I'm not so sure about that. It's polite, it's friendly.
Exactly. And one last thing. You have to ask other people for their opinion too.
Oh, right. Don't just talk.
It's so easy. Just add, what do you think, at the end of your sentence. I think this is a great restaurant. What do you think?
Perfect. Wow. Okay, so I think we covered a lot there.
We did. So to quickly recap for everyone, use I think and in my opinion to share your ideas.
I agree. And maybe try I'm not so sure about that when you disagree. And always ask, what do you think?
That's it. Your homework is to go practice. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks for listening to the Mr. Grammio English podcast.
We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.